Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for all your needs. Today, we're talking about the Faux Locs Crochet hair, a top contender for the best blonde faux locs crochet hair on the market. If you're looking for a stunning boho style with a unique blend of blonde tones, this is the hair extension you've been waiting for. The Faux Locs Crochet hair is 18 inches of pure style, designed to give you the gorgeous, effortless look of faux locks with curly ends. Available in a beautiful ombre blonde shade, 27/613, it adds a sophisticated touch to your look, perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or a more formal event, this hair promises to turn heads. One of the best features of this product is the ease of installation. These locks come pre-looped and pre-twisted, making it incredibly easy for even beginners to install. No more complicated weaving techniques or professional appointments. With 7 packs in a set, each containing 16 strands, you'll have everything you need for a full head of hair without the hassle. Made from high-quality synthetic fiber, the Faux Locs Crochet hair is soft and lightweight, ensuring that you can wear it all day without any discomfort. Plus, it's designed to be tangle-free, so you won't have to worry about constant maintenance or frustrating knots. Its durability ensures that the locks stay in place and look fresh for weeks, making it a great investment for anyone who loves long-lasting style. For those concerned about quality, rest assured that these locks are made to look as natural as possible, with no shedding, no smell, and no itching. The synthetic material offers a realistic, organic look while being easy to maintain. Just separate the locks daily to prevent them from meshing together and apply a little mousse or oil to keep them looking fabulous. The package includes 7 packs, each with enough strands to cover your entire head, making it ideal for a full, voluminous look. Plus, you get a crochet needle and a package of colorful rings as a bonus, perfect for adding your own flair and customization to the look. Whether you're a seasoned pro at installing crochet hair or a first-timer, you'll find this product incredibly easy to use. If you're looking to add some boho chic vibes to your style, this Faux Locs Crochet hair is a fantastic choice. With its beautiful ombre blonde color, ease of use, and long-lasting design, it's sure to become your go-to hair extension. Don't forget, it's available for a great price, making it a perfect addition to your haircare collection. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best beauty products out there.